Hey, Jason here with First Choice Services. Just going to show you, um, we've been having 2 in 1 week. It was we have a water spigot that will not shut off. We had a customer one, and then I had the one in the shop. So I'm like, 2 in 1 week, it's time to make a video about it. So if you ever come up along one and you open it up and then you go to try to shut it, it won't shut off. It'll keep dripping, 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 dripping. So what you can do is what I did on the homeowner one. A lot of times the water line coming to these should have a shut off on the inside. Not always. The older houses, some of them did, but the newer houses will have a shut off. So you go in there and shut it. You have to ask to get in and then go shut it off. But what you can do is you can take a wrench. Once you get it shut off, take a wrench, unscrew this here, and you can see on this one the actual screw came out of here, so that rubber piece goes on there and that screws down in there. On this one I just replaced it, but on the one on the customer houses I couldn't replace it because it was an old one and they don't make them no more. And the one on that one, the rubber was real hard and brittle. Like this is, you can move this one, that one, you did that, it would just break in half. But you can see here, I don't know if you can actually see, let's see, where is that? This one here is actually got, you can see right over here where it is bent down. So this one, I just went ahead and replaced it, and but if not, on the one I rent, on the one of the house, I picked up the little O-rings. I think you can get them at, I was able to get them at my hardware store, but you just put it back on there. It actually came with the screws. Screw the O-ring back on there. This is just purposes. I don't have a screwdriver. Tighten it all the way up. Put it back on there, and then obviously you want to have the homeowner turn it back on so you know if it's leaking or not. So, but like I said, this is the second one I had this week. I have never had one of these in 6 years do this, and 2 of them do it in 1 week. So I'm gonna make a video about it because that's a pain. I had to go get to the customer's house. One thing you can do about this too is if it's leaking, don't just let it leak there. Try to find a garden hose and run this away from their house, because what happened in ours is that water ran down and was getting into the basement. So take that water hose and get it away from the house. But hope that helps you out. Please subscribe. Please check out my other videos, and hope you have a great day. Bye.